Well, this is my new rack design here. A little triangle rack. Trying to set up a homemade Thirsty Thursday. Basically what I got going on here is I got Visco running down the side and then quick fuse zipping across. And this is just kind of a test, so I'm just using these ball shells with tails. Got Commander Chief and Kings of the Universe. That'll be first rack. I'm just doing 2 racks just for, just something quick. It's cold out and we're looking at 40 below wind chill up here. So yeah, I'm trying not to spend too much time out to this this year. It's not very comfortable. So the second rack will be 24 shot fan rack, and it's going to start out with the rest of the ball shells, and then this third row is going to be Dakota Willows. Oh, nope. That's wrong. Second row was Dakota Willows. Third row is 4 Thunderations. And then that's going to be the same technique of running the Visco along the side for the first 3 rows. And then they'll zip across just like a fan cake. And hopefully my timing is right. It all depends on how well I marked out the fuse. And then last 3 rows will be a rapid fire mix of Thunderation and ball shells with the tails. So I'm hoping for a nice little mix of effects and see how that goes. Alright, well, hopefully everything goes off without a hitch.